I am chopping up some garlic for one of my favorite quick and easy weeknight meals. I'm gonna finish chopping this up and I'll meet you at the stove. Okay, you want to put your skillet on medium to high heat and heat up a couple of tablespoons of oil. I am using Strength Genesis macadamia nut oil. And on that note, this video is sponsored by Strength Genesis. Now they have the perfect gift for the culinary enthusiast in your life, or even just for yourself, the world's healthiest cooking bundle. This bundle is all about giving the gift of flavor and health. First, you get their incredible 100% cold pressed Australian extra virgin macadamia nut oil. Now, you all know I use this a lot. I love it. This is the star. It's rich, it's buttery, and it's many times healthier in omega fats than olive oil. Plus, with a 515-degree smoke point, it's a chef's dream for high heat cooking, perfect for eggs, meats, and vegetables. But that's not all. You'll get two, not one, but two of their salad dressings. These are amazing 100% organic extra virgin olive oil dressings, keto friendly, paleo friendly, and completely sugar, carb, and preservative free. It truly is the only dressing you'll ever need. And because they want to set you up for success, they've included some awesome bonuses, starting with this Cooking with Gold 30 meal cookbook. I mean, it is filled with delicious fat-dropping meals using macadamia nut oil. And as well, a handy stainless steel pour spout for precise, mess-free cooking. This entire set is truly special, premium culinary experience, and it arrives in this beautiful gift box and guarantees delectable taste and incredible healthy benefits in every meal. You can grab your world's healthiest cooking bundle gift set for the holiday. Just click the link in the description below. Just a couple of tablespoons will do. That should be enough. From here, we're going to add in our carrots, our onion, and our garlic. We're going to saute this for about 4 minutes, just until it's slightly getting tender. Okay, after 4 minutes, you want to go in with about a tablespoon of tomato paste. I am using canned navy beans. You want to put the beans and all the liquid in there. Chicken broth. Go in with your seasonings. I am using some celery seed. Typically, I would put celery in it, but I am actually out of celery, even what I had in my freezer. And I am using some of my all-purpose Pam's Prep seasoning in here as well. Link for that will be in the description and at the end of the video. Go ahead from here, stir it up. Go ahead and bring it to a boil. As you see, it's coming to a boil. Get it stirred up really, really well. Make sure it comes back up to a boil. Then we're going to reduce our heat to medium-low, and we're going to simmer it. We're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, this smells amazingly delicious. And here you can taste it to make sure it has enough seasoning for you. I'll taste it. Perfect. Okay, now it's come up to a boil. I'm going to cover it and reduce the heat. Bay leaf. You want to put a bay leaf in there while it's simmering. Okay? Get that bay leaf in there. It's delicious. If you can see this, I just incorporated some ham. After your 8 minutes, if you are going to put any type of meat in it, Now is the time that you'd want to do that. You can use smoked turkey, you can use chicken, you can use whatever protein you like to use. Just make sure it's already cooked, because you want to make sure that you don't have to actually wait for it to get done in here. You're just simmering now for the flavors. And if you're using cooked meat, then you should already have some flavor in that meat to incorporate into your ragu. So we're going to let this simmer and we'll be right back. Okay, now we are going to go in. We're going to take our bay leaf out. And I am going in with spinach. You can use kale, spinach, collards. You could use anything. If you're using anything besides kale and spinach, I would suggest that you make sure it is pre-cooked or either frozen. Otherwise, it will take way too long to incorporate and cook. So you just want to go ahead and let this spinach wilt down and simmer for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll be back. Ooh, hot off the press. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let me show you guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Okay. Time for us to do a taste test. Oh my goodness. Smell-o-vision, we need it. Again, this is customizable. I used spinach. You can use kale, collards, mustards, whatever you have. I actually started to go outside and get some mustards. But keep in mind, if you use fresh greens or anything like that, you can even use cabbage. Cabbage would be good because it will cook relatively quick. But keep in mind, if your greens are not pre-cooked, then it's going to take a while. So you want to get everything cooked individually, unless you're using something. That's another reason why I like to use the spinach, because it cooks really, really quick. I'm just making sure this is not too hot for me to taste. Oh my goodness. Ooh. The carrots, the onions, the garlic, the flavor of that bay leaf. It is amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna give me a big bowl, let it cool, and you know it's time for me to go and eat. Take a second and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and turn on that notification bell. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.